अल्लाह से मिलवा जाती है सोहबत अल्लाह वालों की अपना रंग।
नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम, अम्मा बाद, फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। लइन शकरतुम लअज़ीदन्नकुम व लइन कफ़रतुम इन्न अज़ाबी लशदीद। First of all, my sincere feelings to my most honorable principal, my worthy teachers, other dynamic personality and dear mates. I have been given an opportunity to express my views, so I would like to deliver a speech before you. There are so many diversity in India. In spite of that, we have unity. United we stand, divided we fall. We all live in India peacefully. We all are Indian with heart and soul.
Shabash.
India in our country. As far as I think, India is a vast country. We should respect all the citizens of our country. We should be united and we should think for our nation. India is a land of diversities. This diversity is also visible in the space of religion. The major religions of India are Hinduism, majority religion, Islam, largest minority religion, Sikhism, Christianism, Buddhism, Jainism, Zoroastrianism, Thank you for listening to me.
बहुत अच्छे, माशाअल्लाह।